Hello students, today we are going to continue our exercise 2.1 of linear equations in one variable. First question that we are taking is 13th question. It is 3x upon 2 plus x minus 6 upon 4 equals to 2. So this is the next level solutions of linear equations. First we have to take the LCM of 2 and 4. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Now 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 2 multiplied by 3x will be written like this. 2 and inside bracket 3x. Plus sign this one, and now 4 divided by 4 is 1, that will put here 1, and x minus 6 inside the bracket equals to 2. In this way we are safe. Now 2 3 is 6. This type we will open the bracket. 2 3 is 6x plus 1 being multiplied to any binomial, we get the same binomial, no difference there, upon 4 equals to 2. Now 6x plus x gives you 7x. 7x minus 6 upon 4 equals to 2. Now I'll put 1 below 2, and because the x term cannot be subtracted by a constant, so nothing can be done. At this stage we just have to cross multiply. 1 multiplied to this binomial gives us no change. So 7x minus 6 is as it is, and 4 into 2 gives you 8. Now we can see that 7x is a variable term, so this will remain on the left hand side, and on the right hand side this constant value will be transferred. So minus 6 when changes its sides changes its sign also. So 8 plus 6 gives you 14. So this is 7x is equal to 14. Now the inverse of multiplication is division. So 14 will be divided by 7. 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja. So the value of x is 2. Okay. Next one is number 14. Here we have one value 3 and another compound value is this, x minus 1 upon 2. This whole value is a negative value. Okay. So taking this in mind, we will solve it very carefully. When there is a negative, you have to be more careful. 3 upon 1 can be written here, minus x minus 1 upon 2 equals to 4. We can solve it using the LCM. LCM of 1 and 2 will be 2. Now 2 divided by 1 is 1, and 1 into 3 gives you 6. We will put here negative sign again, copy. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 is put here, and 1 will be multiplied to x minus 1. So we will put here x minus 1. Don't forget to make the bracket here. If you don't create a bracket here, then there will be a problem. If you don't make a bracket here, you will think that the negative sign only changes the sign of the first term x, and it cannot change the sign of the second term. That will be the mistake. So minus 1 multiplied by x gives you minus x, and minus 1 multiplied to minus 1 gives you plus 1. Equals to 4. Now 6 plus 1 gives you 7. Now nothing can be done, so we will cross multiply here. 1 multiplied to 7 minus x will remain same, and 2 into 4 gives you 8. Now x term will remain on the left hand side with the sign as it is, and this constant value 7 will be transferred to right hand side, and the sign of 7 is also changed. So minus x is equal to 1, and hence because we have to find the value of x, so this negative sign will be transferred to right hand side. So the value of x is minus 1. This is more important question, and you have to practice this question again and again. Out of these two questions, you have to solve this one yourself. Okay, you know how to open the bracket. I'm giving you one instance here. 3 bracket start 3x minus 4 bracket close minus 2 bracket start 4x minus 5 bracket close equals to 6. So 3 is being multiplied to this binomial 3x minus 4, and minus 2 is to be multiplied by this binomial 4x minus 5. Okay, so we have to open the bracket by multiplying this 3 to this binomial one by one. 3 3s is 9, so it become 9x, and 3 4s is 12. So both the values inside the bracket will be multiplied by the outside number. Now this negative sign will change the sign of these two terms also. So minus 2 multiplied by 4x gives you minus 8x, and minus 2 multiplied by minus 5 gives you plus 10. Like this. Now 9x minus 8x gives you 1x, and 1 is not written. Minus 12 plus 10 gives you minus 2. And now x equals to 6. This minus 2 when is transposed to the right hand side, it becomes plus 2, and hence the value of x is now 8. Okay, like this one. So as I have solved this question, you have to solve this one. This one is a baby question in front of this one. Okay, now out of these two questions, this one is 17. 3 bracket start x minus 1 bracket close minus 2 bracket start 3x minus 1 bracket close equals to 4. So this question will be done by you. I am doing number 18th for you. Likewise, I'm going to open the bracket first. 4 into x gives you 4x. 4 into 1 gives you 4. So there is a positive sign, so there will be no change in the sign inside the bracket. There is a negative sign outside the bracket, so this negative sign will change the sign of these two. Minus 8 multiplied by 5 gives you minus 40. This is all the game of integers that you have studied in class 7th. Minus 8 into minus x gives you plus 8x. Okay, equals to 3. Now 8x and 4x, these two are the x terms. So 8x plus 4x gives you 12x. 4 minus 40 gives you minus 36. Now this is a constant value with a negative sign. So minus 36 will be transferred to right hand side, and sign will get changed. 36 plus 3 gives you 39. Now inverse of 12x will be written like this: 39 upon 12. Inverse of multiplication is division. So 39 and 12 can be divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 fours are 12. So the value of x is 13 upon 4. Okay, and this is for today. We will continue with our next questions on Monday. Okay, thank you.